Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's white to play and win. White is winning, but this pawn is the problem. And there is only one way to win this as white. This pawn, the G pawn, looks scary and black is going to push and push and promote. Right? So that is the idea. And if you'd like to pause and guess the move on your own, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. Here you might play bishop to e2 by assuming f3 and rook to h2, h1 is going to be checkmate. But now the black will just push the pawn, attacking the rook. And we have to move the rook somewhere, and this is just a draw. So we can't win this. This is draw. So we don't have time to really do such kinds of moves. You may probably play king to e5. That is the other move that you might play. But again, in this position, black will just push its pawn. So we have to move here somewhere, or we can even pin this, but that doesn't do anything. Black is attacking our rook, and when we move the rook, black is going to just play here. When we move rook to d2, black is going to move back to h2, and this is not. The other thing that comes to your mind to play is king to e5 to go near to the pawn. But again, black will push its pawn, right? So pawn to g2, and we have to move the rook. We have to move the rook somewhere, and this is just a draw. And some of you might probably assume rook to f2, pinning the pawn. But that doesn't work because black will just play g3, king to g3, and attack our rook. So what do we do now? We have to retreat with our rook, and black will just make a new queen, and this is just a draw. Yes, we can take this and simplify everything, but this is of course a draw. So these are not the correct move. Actually, the correct move to play is rook to f3. This looks like dumb move. I mean, what does this move do, you might say? But you'll understand the idea in the following seconds. So black will play g2, ready to promote. But now we are going to play bishop to f1. And the idea of rook to f3 previously is if black promotes here a queen on d1, we are going to make a move on h3 with our rook, and that will result just checkmate. So that is the idea of the move rook to f3 previously. But you might say, what if black promotes into a knight? So what do we do? Generally, we are going to save the knight, to save the rook, I mean. So basically, a knight and bishop and rook is winning, right? So we are going to trade the bishop with this knight. It's easy, and we are going to win this. So if black decided to take the bishop, we are going to take the queen, and of course this is winning. So this is the solution of the puzzle. you found this video entertaining, make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Bye.